Introducing XGO 2. It's back and better than ever with a gripper and upgraded AI module, unlocking new operational possibilities. It's the world's first desktop-level robotic dog with an arm. Everyone can create their own functions of XGO 2 for various uses. The operation module includes buttons, speakers, a screen, a UI interface, and a fully functional AI camera with upgraded features. These features allow XGO 2 to recognize your facial expressions, gestures, and colors, and respond to you like a real dog.
Looking for food.
XGO 2 can also recognize sound frequencies and dance with you. Powered by the Raspberry CM4, XGO 2 enables you to program it using Blockly, Python, and ROS packages. No coding is required. The teaching mode makes the design process much easier, providing you with endless possibilities for customizing any action you want it to perform. With 12 degrees of freedom joints control and 6-dimensional body posture control, XGO 2 can achieve omnidirectional movement, adapt to ground tilting, and maintain body balance. Share your new metal pet on social media. The exclusive app also comes with a screen transmission function, giving you a more intuitive operating experience. Crouch down, identify, and pick up. Operating XGO 2 has never been easier. Enjoy the fun of creating and learning interesting functionality with XGO 2. Get it on Kickstarter now.